Morning, everybody. Welcome to LS Engine Kings, a division of Proformance Unlimited. Happens to be one of our LS airboat engines. This is a small puppy. This is a 408 cubic inch. Just got done making about 600 horsepower and some fantastic torque numbers. We can custom paint the engine for you completely, leave them natural, what have you. But we got some real nice pieces we produce here. If there's anything we can help you with, give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Remember what I say, the proof is in the performance. Thank you. All right, we happen to have your airboat engine here on the dyno. Has to be one of the LQ9 408 cubic inch engine packages. We're gonna fire this up and do a video. Let's do a dyno pull.